Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix YouTube Shorts upload error. In order to fix YouTube Shorts upload error, first of all, ensure your video is under 60 seconds and has a 9 by or 9 is to 16 vertical aspect ratios. If these requirements are met but it still fails, the most common fixes involve changing your upload method or file settings. So what you could do is, first of all, you might also want to make sure to check your internet connection, as sometimes if you have poor connectivity, that can also hamper. And in some cases, if you have not updated your app for a while, just go to your app store and update it so as well. Now that you've done this, you could simply open the phone's gallery and trim a tiny bit of the video and save it as a new file. So basically what you want to do is, if you have a 60-second long video, you might want to make sure to convert it into 59 seconds, right? So you could simply trim the 1 second part or just a little bit portion of the video and try uploading that, and that should definitely help you out. You might also want to make sure to check whether you've disabled your VPN firewall on all that as well. Sometimes this might as well hinder. Next, you just want to go ahead and open up settings. Now you just want to make sure to go and open up apps and look at YouTube. Make sure to clear cache and storage. This is going to definitely help you out. And the very same time, you just want to make sure to go ahead and restart the device. That is also going to help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.